In this video, I'll guide you through how to list items on the Steam market. If you have extra items sitting in your Steam inventory, you can list them on the Steam community market for other users to purchase. Whether you're selling trading cards, skins, or other eligible inventory items, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is located. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can create your first market listing with confidence. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you don't already have Steam installed, download it from the official Steam website and complete the installation before continuing. Once the application is open, sign into your Steam account if you haven't already. Enter your account credentials and click Sign In to access your Steam homepage. Be sure to keep your login information secure and avoid saving it on shared or public computers. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main Steam interface where all of the platform's features are available. Next, look toward the top of the window and click on the Community tab. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Market to open the Steam Community Market, where users can buy and sell eligible Steam inventory items. Once you're on the Market page, locate the Sell an Item option near the top right corner and click it. Steam will display your inventory, allowing you to browse through all of the items that can potentially be listed for sale. Take your time to find the item you want to sell, then click on it to continue. You'll now need to choose your selling price and, if applicable, the quantity you'd like to list. Before entering a price, it's a good idea to compare similar listings already on the market so you have a better idea of the current market value. After deciding on your price, enter the requested information carefully. Before submitting your listing, review all of the details one final time to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the listing to move to the final verification step. To complete the process, Steam will ask you to confirm the listing using either your email or the Steam mobile app, depending on your account's security settings. After you approve the confirmation request, your item will be published on the Steam community market and become available for potential buyers. That's all there is to it. You now know how to list items on the Steam market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.